Early fall pollen counts for allergens like grass, trees, and especially ragweed are up. And from itchy eyes to runny noses, they all can cause a variety of really annoying symptoms. But the big culprit for allergy sufferers this time is ragweed, a plant that is releasing its pollen right now. Specialists at MercyOne say they've been seeing a rise in patients because of it.
Yeah, so we see an uptick in allergy symptoms in the spring and in the fall. Most common symptoms associated with allergies would be like itching in the eyes, ears, nose, and throat. Specifically, we'll see like redness, irritation in the eyes, sometimes sneezing, and increased nasal congestion. We do see ragweed blooming in the fall, and so because of that, there's more pollen from ragweed in the air. And so individuals who have an allergy to ragweed may see more allergy symptoms in the fall as opposed to like the spring.
Those with allergies can use over-the-counter antihistamines and can expect a break from the pollens after the first hard freeze.